Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be doing a hands-on review of the Galaxy Fold. The footage you're seeing is actually pre-recorded, but I was able to get my hands on the actual device and see what it felt like in the hand. First thing I noticed is that the front of the screen is really tiny and uncomfortable to use. If it were my device, I would personally not even use it, other than for timer notifications. However, one cool thing you can do is start the camera app, or any other app, and just continue using it on the big screen, but sadly it doesn't work vice versa. The second thing you notice is obviously the big screen on the inside of the device. You'd expect it to feel cheap and like plastic on the inside, but surprisingly has the same texture or similar texture to glass. It's almost as if it were a flexible glass that had a little bit of squishiness to it. Folding the phone itself is actually pretty satisfying. It doesn't just open and close like a computer, but actually clicks into place when it's open and closed, and even makes a nice, satisfying sound. The screen is actually really good for displaying just content. For example, the Maps app makes really good use of the real estate, and Google search results take up the whole screen with useful information. One thing I didn't exactly like was the multitasking. It felt a little gimmicky, and having four screens on the same display seemed kind of pointless to me, but I guess it could be useful for maybe content creators like reading a script while filming a video, but it's a little hard to get used to, and I would just stick to the one screen or maybe even two displays at most. Something else you're probably wondering about is the build quality. It feels pretty hefty. Just think about putting two phones together and then adding the weight. Other than that, it just feels like a regular phone with a glass back and front, and it just has a plastic inside, which surprisingly feels better than you'd think. I didn't get that much time to spend with it, but it was really cool to get to use the first proper folding phone right now. Clearly, it's not just for everyone by looking at the $2,000 price tag, but I'd say it's a good start for people to innovate and try to make the Fold better. Anyways, thank you for watching my short hands-on review, and like and subscribe for more videos. Bye.